Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's short video, I'm sharing a quick and easy breakfast idea for the whole family while also trying my hand at cooking and enjoying English breakfast. But before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and let me know in comments what's your favorite type of breakfast. I don't live in England, so all of these ingredients were delivered to me by my friend. Cooking it is pretty simple. First I fried pork sausages and bacon, and then started frying eggs and mashed peas. They are sold in metal cans and all you have to do is to open it and heat it in the pan. I also decided to add a mixture of garlic and chili pepper into the eggs. And meanwhile I set the table. I also thought that it would be cool to have some fresh orange juice. I also added some sauces, fresh vegetables and cheese, which was not English by the way. So I just replaced it with the cheese which I had in my fridge. If you love English breakfast, let me know in comments what else you would add. And when the juice was ready, it was time to start eating. Serving it is pretty easy, just place everything on your plate in the way you like it. And now have a look at how beautiful the whole setup looks. We were having it for brunch, so it kept us going till the evening. While frying it, I used the minimum of oil or no oil at all in some pans. This made the whole meal feel so lighter and not greasy. I didn't expect the mashed peas to go so well with everything. The whole combination of ingredients is actually much heavier than I thought, and I don't think I could eat it every morning, but as a weekend breakfast, that's just amazing. Like the video if you enjoyed watching it and ask your questions in comments. If you like cooking, traveling and trying new things, don't forget to subscribe and switch on notifications. Thank you for watching this video and see you in the next one.